In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Google Tasks in full screen. Let's dive right into making our Google Tasks workspace bigger and better. Whether you're crunching through your daily to-dos or meticulously planning an upcoming project, having a full screen view can make all the difference in staying organized and focused. First things first, you need to access Google. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button. You can usually find this in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to proceed with the login process. Next, you'll enter your email address. Make sure it's the one associated with the Google account you use for tasks. Type it into the field provided, double check for any typos, and then hit enter or click on the next button to move forward. Following your email entry, it's now time to key in your password. Remember, this step is crucial for protecting your data, so ensure you enter your password accurately. After typing it in, press the next button to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might have to complete an additional step here, but it's just Google making sure it's really you. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll find yourself back on the Google homepage. But this time, you're logged into your account. Look towards the right-hand side again, and you'll see a grid icon, or what some people like to call the waffle icon. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with all the different Google apps available to you. In that array of icons, find and click on Gmail. It's usually represented by a red and white envelope icon. This will take you directly to your Gmail inbox, which is your gateway to accessing Google Tasks. Now that you're in your Gmail inbox, take another look at that waffle icon near the top right corner beside your account avatar and click on it once more. This time, among the selection of apps, you should find Calendar. Clicking on it will open Google Calendar in a new tab or window, depending on your browser settings. Here's where it gets a bit less intuitive. Within Google Calendar, you need to find the option to switch to tasks. This might seem a little roundabout, but trust me, the journey is worth it. Look for the small icon that resembles a bullet list, typically located towards the bottom right of the screen. Click on Switch to Tasks, and voila, you're now in the Google Tasks interface. But we're not quite done yet. To truly achieve that full screen experience and eliminate any distractions, simply press F11 on your keyboard. Doing so will enter full screen mode, removing the browser's toolbars and any other elements that aren't part of Google Tasks itself. Suddenly, you've got a much cleaner and larger workspace for your tasks. Now, with Google Tasks in full screen, you can enjoy a more focused and expansive view of your tasks. This mode is especially helpful when you're reviewing your tasks for the day or planning for the weeks ahead. You can easily navigate between different task lists and details without the clutter of other browser tabs or menus. Remember, when you want to exit full screen mode, all you have to do is press F11 again. It's that simple to toggle between views depending on your needs. And that's how you can view Google Tasks in full screen, making it easier than ever to stay on top of your to-dos without any distractions. Whether you're a seasoned Google Tasks user or just getting started, this tip is sure to enhance your productivity and make task management a breeze. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on making the most out of Google's powerful suite of tools. Happy tasking!